Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility and preparing ID and PAN. This matters because verification is strict. Once done, register on the NISM portal and create an account, noting your registration ID for later. Next, choose an exam center and date that fits your study plan, and pay the fee through net banking or card so your slot is reserved. Make sure payment completes. If it doesn't, retry immediately, and check bank alerts to avoid losing the chosen date. Once your slot is booked, download the syllabus and official module, and build a weekly plan that allocates heavier time to valuations and regulations. Schedule 2 to 3 hours daily and slot in mock tests weekly. Mock results show weak areas to prioritize. Then complete the application by uploading scanned photo, signature, and ID. Verify file format, size, and clarity to avoid rejection. Make sure to save a copy of the filled application and confirm all fields match your ID exactly. On exam day, arrive 30 to 45 minutes early with your original ID and printed admit card to clear verification smoothly. After biometric checks, follow the proctor's instructions and manage time per section, flag questions, and return if time permits. Once the exam is graded, check the portal for results, and if you pass, download your certificate immediately. If there's a mismatch or missing record, contact NISM support with registration ID and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.